Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Tionna Michelle here. I know it's been a while since I've given you a cleaning video, but I'm back here today giving you some cleaning motivation. Today we're going to be cleaning the kids area, the kids room, and the kids bathroom. So let's get into the video.
Do you ever call back? Do you ever pick up?
So first we're going to start out in the girls' room, and as you can see, the room is a complete mess. A few months ago, I turned this room into the kids' play area, and I kind of regret it because they keep this room completely trashed. If you're new to the channel, almost a year ago, I lost my eldest daughter. So on the left-hand side, that is her bed. And normally we try to keep the room clean, but you know, with the toddlers, you can't keep it clean every day. So I come in here at least once a week to try to spruce it up, but for whatever reason, this particular weekend, the kids completely trashed the area, so I'm just going to get it all cleaned up.
Tell me how I'm gonna get through. I don't wanna take another life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Do I ever let go? Let go of the days I wish we had. Stop crying over things I can't take back. Not yet. Do I ever forget? Erase your pretty face inside my head. Wishing you the best of a life instead. Well, not yet. Baby, no, I don't wanna go. You know how much I hate sleeping alone. I can never make it on my own. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Tell me how I'm gonna get through. I don't wanna take another life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. You, oh you, I keep wishing and wishing we'll end up together. You, oh you, I keep wishing and wishing and wishing. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Tell me how I'm gonna get through. I don't wanna take another life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Oh no. Talk to me, baby, I've been waiting for a lifetime. Just keep on fading in all these photos, caught in the memories and captured in the highlights. Just keep on wasting. Glass after glass, I keep hoping you'll come around. Drowning our fights in whatever can be found. 'Cause I've given in to all my demons lately. You know, might be easier just to let it go. Cut the cable short and the problem solved. Might be easier for you. I do it all night. You're my only lifeline.
Since her passing, we've pretty much kept things the same. I haven't really done anything different with her bed besides adding the sheet that you see with the pictures on it. But as far as her belongings go, we've pretty much kept everything the same. We have not thrown anything away. Everything is still stored in the room until we're comfortable enough to go through with the things and decide what we're going to keep and what we're going to get rid of. But we're comfortable with the way things are, so for now we're going to keep things the same, and of course continue to to clean up after the kids, because you know they're kids, they're gonna mess it up. They don't know any better, but we do our best to keep it clean.
Might be easier just to let it go. Cut the cable short and the problem solved.
So now moving on to the boys' room, which wasn't that bad. It's actually a little bit cleaner than the girls' room, but I just came in here to clean it up a little bit and get rid of some of the stuff that they don't need.
Talk to me, baby, I've been waiting for a lifetime. Just keep on fading in all these photos, caught in the memories and captured in the highlights. Just keep on wasting. Might be easier just to let it go. Cut the cable short and the problem solved. Might be easier. For you, I do it all night. You're my only lifeline. Baby, look what the hole I am in. I am in. I try not to think too much about what might have been, might have been. How nice if I just could let you in, let you in. I know you could be my remedy, remedy. How long will you keep trying? I know it's not, babe, it's not easy. I guess deep down inside, I knew you could be my remedy.
So you're probably wondering what you're seeing in this bag, the yellow substance. It's actually a pureed food. So if you're new to the channel, I have a 5-year-old son who's medically complex. If you look at him, you can't really tell, but he does have a condition called short bowel syndrome. With the condition, he does get G-tube feeds or feeds through his belly. So right there, what you're seeing is a puree blend of foods that he gets through the G-tube.
Good to me. Oh, how nice if I just could let you in, let you in. I know you could be my remedy, my remedy. How long will you keep trying? I know it's not, babe, it's not easy. I guess deep down inside,
into the kids' bathroom on the second floor. I normally come in here and wipe it down, but it's been a while since I've given it a really deep cleaning, so that's what you'll see today. And you'll see that on the side of the toilet there were a lot of, for lack of better words, embarrassing stains. But with boys, you have to make sure that you clean up around those areas, so I'll be doing that also.
If I gave you my heart, you could tear it apart. And if I tell you how I feel, would you be good to me? Good to me. How nice if I just could let you in, let you in. I know you could be my remedy, my remedy. How long will you keep trying? I know it's not, babe, it's not easy. I guess deep down inside, I know you could be my remedy.
So around the perimeter of the tub, you'll see me using toilet blow cleaner, and it actually gets the stains out really good. I also use it in my shower, but it did not remove the stains from the inside of the tub, so I'm going in with the pink stuff to see if that helped. is going to be it for this cleaning video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more cleaning videos, and I will see you on the next one.